Namaskar friends, how are you all? Fine. Let's start our video. As you must have seen in the thumbnail that today we are going to discuss about the BR election. So the BR, the state which is the highly densely populated, and the sad thing is that in the past this VR was one of the leading states in India. Vaisali, First Republic of India, Vaishali, Nalanda University, world's top university. The education system of Bihar was at top, but the government came and you all might be knowing what is the current education system of the Bihar. What are we doing? We are going into the back. Very sad situation is there now at this time when the coronavirus is at peak. The election commission has announced date for the conduction of Bihar election. You all might be knowing what are those dates. I am going to name them. First, the Bihar election will be conducted in three phases. First phase, 27 October. Second phase, sorry, not 27 October, it's 28 October. Second phase, 3rd November. Third phase, 7th November. And lol, on 10th September you will get the results of the so-called VR election. But the reason is not that. The issue is not that. The issue is that how the voters will leave their house in this terrible situation. If they will go, it is certain that they will be giving themselves to coronavirus. It will be like we ask the coronavirus to come and affect us. What hell we are doing? Do you know the medical situation of India? Let's start with the medical situation of India and Bihar. As per the UN, there must be one doctor at every 1000 people. One doctor at 1000 people. Do you know how many doctors are present in India per person? How many persons are there in India per doctor? One doctor has to look after how many persons? Do you know? Let me tell you, and 11,000 persons per doctor. One doctor has to look after 11,000 persons. You know what a pathetic medical condition is of this India. But our news channels are completely such shame on you bloody fools. What hell are you doing? To which direction you are leading our nation? You keep doing that, but India is great, it will overcome. Now I will tell you about the medical condition of Bihar. Do you know how pathetic it is? India, 11,000 persons per doctor, and in Bihar, 29,000. Rightly heard, 29,000 persons per doctor. How sad it is. Our election commission is conducting the elections in Bihar, but the medical condition is such pathetic. If people got corona positive, if people tested corona positive, who will be responsible for it? Huh? What hell are you doing? And our media persons, they are also such. What kind of fourth pillar you are? But that's not our issue. Our issue is Bihar election. So let's continue on that. Let us not divert. So in past, as I told you, the condition of education was extremely fine, but in nowadays it has turned into a big garbage. It has turned just rubbish, as you know about the case of VR toppers. How sad it is, but let me tell you some more. The largest number of people who leave the state in search of employment are from Bihar. Most people of Bihar leave their state and move to other state for in the search of employment. You know, during this lockdown, how many people have returned from other cities to their motherland, Bihar? Do you know how many peoples returned? 40 lakh peoples, and they had returned into 32 districts. So it is certain that Narendra Modi is not going to come in Bihar, but the voters are uncertain. No one can clearly predict that which government is coming, but it was my. But it is certain that these people got unemployed. What the government has done to these people? What job has the government provided to these 40 lakh peoples? What hell they have done? What hell they are doing? Let us move to the MLAs. Right now, there are 243 MLAs in Bihar. Out of 243, there are 11 MLAs who have the charge of killing the people. You know, 11 MLAs who are charged of killing the people. It is not. It has been proven in the court, and they are right now controlling the people. Can you imagine that what good they will be doing for their people? Now, out of 243, 11 MLAs have killed any one person, and 30 MLAs has a charge of attempt to kill the another person. And if we talk about all the MLAs who are having some criminal charge, so they will be 136. Out of 243 MLAs, 136 MLAs are criminals. Then can you imagine in which direction the state will go? You can easily imagine. You must have understood why the condition of VR is so poor. Very pathetic condition it is. I don't know what help the media persons and we the citizens of the literate ones are doing. Very sad thing. Let us move to the Manrega program, which is completely for the poor people. 2 crore 73 lakh laborers are in Bihar. Out of these 2 crore 73 lakh, 1 crore 95 lakh have applied for Manrega program. And you know how many active workers are now? They are only 65 lakh. 65 lakh 92,331 are the active Manrega workers, and 1 crore 95 lakh have applied for that job. This is very pathetic condition to which direction the Bihar is leading. Thanks for giving me this much of time. I will be soon before you presenting another video on the Bihar. Thanks for giving me this much of time. Please share it with maximum. Please share it maximum and do subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot. Keep supporting me. Bye bye.